1. Cogent. Hindi word susangat ya ठोस. Cogent means clear, logical, strong, and believable. In court, it describes evidence or arguments that carry real weight and make sense. Sentence. The prosecution could not produce any cogent evidence to prove the charge of murder. 2. Cogency. Hindi word susangatta. Cogency is the quality of being clear and convincing. It shows how strong and persuasive something is. Sentence. The cogency of the dying declaration convinced the court to convict the accused. 3. Consistency. Hindi word susangati या एकरूपता. Consistency means being steady and the same throughout. Courts look for consistency between different statements or pieces of evidence. Sentence. There is no consistency in the statements of the two eyewitnesses. 4. Contemporaneous. Hindi word समकालिक या उसी समय का. Contemporaneous means happening or recorded at the exact same time as the event. It carries high value in court because it's fresh and not made up later. Sentence. The contemporaneous record clearly showed that the accused was present at the spot. 5. Ipso facto. Hindi word स्वतः या अपने आप. Ipso facto means by the fact itself, something that automatically happens without needing anything else. Sentence. His conviction ipso facto disqualified him from contesting the election. 6. Void ab initio. Hindi word shuru se hi amanya. Void ab initio means the thing was never valid. It was illegal or wrong from the very first day. Sentence. The entire agreement was declared void ab initio because it was made under coercion. 7. Contrary. Hindi word viparit. Contrary means opposite or against. Sentence. The witness gave evidence contrary to his earlier statement recorded by police. 8. Deposed. Hindi word गवाही देना या बयान देना. Deposed simply means giving evidence or statement on oath in court. Sentence. The complainant deposed that the accused had threatened him with a knife. 9. Appropriate. Hindi word uchit ya jaktang. Appropriate means suitable or proper in that situation. Sentence. The court passed appropriate orders to protect the victim's identity. 10. Testimony. Hindi word गवाही या बयान. Testimony is the oral evidence given by a witness in court under oath. Sentence. The entire case rests on the testimony of a single eyewitness. 11. Aggrieved. Hindi word पीड़ित या नुकसान झेलने वाला. Aggrieved means the person who feels wronged or has suffered a legal injury. Sentence. The aggrieved party has the right to challenge the order in appeal. 12. Material on record. Hindi word record पर मौजूद सामग्री. Material on record means important evidence or documents already filed in the court file. Sentence. There is no material on record to support the claim of undue influence. 13. Vidye. Hindi word देखिए या के अनुसार. Vidye is used to refer to something specific, like see this order or as per. Sentence. Vidye order dated 10th January, the trial court summoned the accused.